another week. We say Yana Vinaka and welcome to our Chupalangi Show. I have one retigo Vikimlin Wakanda Turanga Marama the this morning.
Right.
We say iyo yan ratu yani pag nuni Vinaka na total na madho boning garabitavi.
Right.
May ting utang na moni tibinan ko. Ano Vinaka dem sa Vinaka elano.
Ano pinaka A2? Ano pinaka Nue?
Odi?
A2.
Lalo nga li fotal yan.
Demesi, we welcome you to Outspaling Show this morning. You have been gone for a while.
Not a while at
We miss you.
Only 2 days.
We miss you so much and thank you for coming back.
Coming back with some hair left.
Yeah.
The reason
What is the secret?
eating the
Oil? Dalawa na ito butotol na ulunay?
iyo.
Sarute mi tumututol sa Malondo.
Good morning.
Nakatanilinga.
Iya, yaro na kami sa
Dalawa
driver. Ha?
Dalam baka kinanusok ko.
Oh, yaro na kami ba? Because a lot of people have been saying last week for you to drink the coconut milk.
Coconut, it's very good to eat coconut milk.
Okay.
It's very good.
Right.
It's very sophisticated.
Oh.
And
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil mendondo. Hey, good morning to Pamar to be Wani. Maramani Namara.
Right.
Osala bata kay Seni. Seni Moy. Mbulu binaka nabubale ndo sa matong Mengori. From Low Tokyo maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also to Passione Maxciale. This is the driver of the parish here in the Saint Anglican Church.
Right.
And Lotu. Good morning to Passione Maxciale for joining this morning.
And lamri taxi na LH1195 na Reki na tiko ka taxi. Bikam nikat sara sa mo bolito kumain na buko ni Bebal Levy. And mataka ni kuha na tiko ka taxi ni Yan binaka.
And also to USA Koronrao,
Yeah.
UN Women from sorry we met on Saturday.
Yeah.
Hey, please my friend, can you? Oh, don't worry, we will be here. And we say good morning to you. And another one,
Yeah.
someone too from the men.
Right.
Good morning to you and the family joining this morning.
Timoni rogo timba usen sandende kay rogo talan to mo indemesi. Si?
Oh,
Yeah,
the one-
Sara.
this is the one from the KK542 in Lautoka.
Right.
Ano Vinaka?
Kameli Rasileka, thank you for tuning in this beautiful morning and tawake yada. Selo sinaisaw sa urela la koto balabu kulinin dong ayan binaka.
Mere Matana from Oitambu Tabeuni, good morning and the family, and also not forgetting Ben Tari and the family of the bus driver joining this morning. All the way from Lakemba in Lau to Choeli Temo Wex, Mbulbenaka, and the family joining this morning. My sister, good morning from Bararaveli.
You ate that yesterday.
Oh, Eta. That's what we call in the village is the Ikayalewa, the female fish.
Right.
Muto ka na ba? O ka na Ikayalewa?
Okay.
Good morning to Peter Tawaki Tawata and also to my wife and also to Father Nivoy. Hakam?
Be very careful of what you're eating.
Iyo, bata sa kanita chigo. Binata ko momo.
Sabi na tayo na Ikayalewa, I use my own language.
Yeah, Kente have been sick for the last few days. What are we saying? Normal go?
Normal see.
Okay, one.
Normal see.
Everything is set.
Everything is applicable to
Can
the working
control.
side. Control and environment sacrifice.
One. But the we bukit ko may na kinasakay may banggaray na medicine for the last 2 days last week.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't know.
This is from the hospital. GT544 Driver Poli Bonimbua Miambulare from Savu Zavu.
Oh.
But you went to the hospital or no?
I went and drinking the leaves of the guava.
Oh, one.
Okay. See, that's what I was saying.
Iyan, di na sir.
But Atu said you don't drink the leaves of the guava. You have to swallow the fruit of the guava.
Swallow me tao na hanggang ginisuka. Pero na metadin na natungan ramay natungan ramu. Una werong yun.
Uto mo tayo?
Iyo.
Don't think
Kaya na pero timbay nga ni si.
Okay.
Tabangan to is a solution.
Right.
May matana ekot sa samang bulan do bulan binaka.
Oh, can you plant the bangan stem?
I
Set
never
the seed nga.
I plant the seed
Right.
Oh, okay.
for the greenhouse and I plant it's very good.
Right.
Some people they plant for $5 a one.
Right.
Iyo.
The eggplant, this is the what you call it, the na kosato, the what? Sambudi.
Kosapot.
Yeah.
Okay, one.
And then you just transplant it to your
John Kumaro yung natangani.
To your
Bulan
farm.
binaka.
just take us back to the Ikalewa. How did you cook
Tati ako may sapa ka uro mo John Kumar. John Kumar ay uturanga.
Kariseng buat buto tolong.
Sa control mo na ka.
The best way to cook the Ikalewa.
The best way is to boil. Because he himself, he got undercoat.
Iyo.
Iyo, kaya kulin ne baba kwe. So you no need for you to scroll on the back. Mo bari ya.
Yeah.
Don't need to scroll on the back. You need boil meaty. But okay, it's be
Ooh, man.
careful too. On the side waist of the unpin control of the stomach,
Yeah.
kaya it's very very uro.
Oh,
Be careful.
man.
For me, yesterday, I only eat one side. No, kira uro.
Iyo.
Sa baladi ko nga.
Yeah, from Lakemba. Oh, very
So,
good.
Yummy.
how many times of Ikalewa there? Bukan baba ko nakulina So baba ko sa mamare.
Ito baka mindaw romon-romon na kanay iramboy ko ito siniboy na.
Iyo.
Ito baka mindaw lay katanda mo eh.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Oh, okay. But I don't know man so do kanya bata na
Dabana.
the rubber thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's your right.
Right.
Oy.
Bataw sa nga na mundo
But
ng
it's,
bata kiko.
it feels like, sandy.
Di sambu
Yeah,
tabi na ka,
Iyo, sandy.
di sambu tabi na ka, baka doa muli rocket loma. Bataw sa nga na mundo ng dono. Kaya ito ba kini numumbule nang uno kanya bulikina. Kaya baka biya ito ka na lewen na yung sa muraka.
Kanilo na rambo.
Kanila po may tao.
Oy, bata ke mitstaki.
Michiru bila ka.
Oy, warna.
Atu ndo na isya kabila kaya.
But dotan mo tarong mo dotan mo kanay mo kanay ka.
Iya. It's very good.
Okay.
Right.
Baka matakani ko baka kusima tali ni runga tu na kenital no.
Iyo.
Lolo tak na loka.
Ha?
Loka baka lolo.
Baka
Si Sari magsuka, ano binaka? Inay Rosie, ano binaka, batong toba.
How's your tour the weekend?
Working. I was working on Saturday, Sunday, and then I'm working again today.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
You atu?
We exchange on Saturday.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saturday you work. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, he was on breakfast, and I came doing to drive.
All right.
Labs to ito ngayon binaka.
Oh, good morning, Tamale from all the way from the northern part of Fiji.
Right.
Last question, last
Beautiful
question.
weather today.
Kaya baka kerkero laps.
Right.
Metatuta kinadan in the community. Rosi sanga.
Oh, bosota leps. Kakedo kere or ni bukan donu ya. Kuang anggur siya.
Yung tatawid na. Yung tatuta ka maka bebek way.
Kaya bukin dala siya bukin donu ya. Ito ka ni turang. Wanalo kang ko kulaniyo ko ngayon nandi kulaniyo muna ke mbula binaka.
Mary Tapuan Romo yan binaka.
Lawan taxi.
Yan na laps dito nga binabalib sa ito kan kikim ni na sama sigumay. And a live page ni VTFM na Ouch Palangi Show.
Nanda ke mbula binaka.
Naikailaw Kung natana na birto dem sa naikailaw.
Iya.
Yung sa dawuro kiyo ka. Sarong na daw tu na takin na bika taleso. Rawel la kena bo tatabu na ta.
Right.
Na buli, na kena buli. Bata ko na mitch batal lewena.
Isa uli buta lang. Bato ka kanden detal nga menara.
Oh, okay.
Iyo, orna
Kuko bilang lewen, eh?
Iyo, orna bonika raraw ni nara.
Mulmulu mo na lewen,
Tanay kana talang at kubi ko ya.
Iya.
Ay tinay Diyos. Ano pinaka maramataw. Nasya ni rakira-kira o naudidi may so na isalienan.
Andro menak. Mikibri no kada na baga sigile butay na sigile na noa. So baga natasya po chiga na ngono baga sigile butay baga kuwa. Kita sa baga nuri binaka tini biki mo ni.
Si Batinay bayan rito kami nang daluman yung mo si Sabukay yan ang mataka ni Kuwa.
Na boleh Sara.
Junior Tomboy may Central America, Costa Rica.
Wow.
Woo! Yan binaka.
Mana roko pangalala? Daung bulan.
So nasali may nandi.
Iya, tapa baru tuang ko na final OVT pati kay South Africa. And gito may napunuli boy Amerika.
Iya.
New York.
Iyo. And why? National Youth Band.
Wara.